Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you're somebody that travels a lot, this mirror is going to come in so handy, especially if you love doing your makeup while on the go. This RIKI Colorful is so cool. It has 3 different light settings. There is a little heart at the top here, so you just tap that and then your lights come on. Now, what's really cool about this is it has a swivel feature. So this little part right here swivels right around, and then we have all of our makeup inside. So this attaches with magnets. So these backings here are magnetic. So if your pans are already magnetic, just pop them out and put them right in here. If they are not magnetic, it actually comes with a couple of little stickers. So you take this sticker and you put it on the back of the eyeshadow, and then what happens is it'll make it so that it can have something to stick to. So there's a big sticker and there's little stickers. The little ones are quite smaller and they're magnetic, so they just sit right there. So this mirror comes with a deplotting tool. Now this little tool is very interesting because it's 3-sided. So we have a flat side, we have a more pointed side, and then we have one that kind of looks like a nail file type side. So these are all for getting in the different palettes and being able to take your eyeshadow out with ease. And then it also comes with a charging cord because you got to make sure it's charged to be able to use the brightness settings. So I love this so much to take my makeup on the go. It's the best thing I've ever had. And that is my point of view.